Hey out there, all you viewers of Be Named Later, how we doing today? Well, I'm gonna knock this one out the way early, alright? It's August 12th, 2020, and I'm finally getting around to covering the third of Chesapeake Beard and Grooming's Summer Series set. And this one is the Pina-Ade. I think I got that right. Yeah, Pina-Ade or Pineapple-Ade, whatever. It's the Pina-Ade. And I will state, when I'm filming this video today, I went looking out there on their web store, and it's no longer there. I know that Gary stated that these will be available until they sell out. So I don't know if they're gone. I don't know if he's making changes. I don't know what's happening. But it's best to get this video out there because I've been sitting on these for a little while, and I feel like a moron. Now, if you guys are familiar with Chesapeake Beard and Grooming, go ahead and skip ahead about a minute or so. It should take me that long to get through what I need to talk about here. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Chesapeake Beard and Grooming, I'm going to give you a quick little lesson on them. You can find them at www.chesapeakebeard.com. Don't worry, I will leave that down below in the description box. Real quick, easy link for you to type. You know, click on and get right through there. They are proudly made in the USA out of Indian Head, Maryland. They are 100% veteran-owned. Gary is former United States Marine Corps. So if you like me, I love shopping with veteran-owned companies first, and they get the vast bulk of my cash. And trust me, if you guys have seen any of my reviews out there, and speaking of that, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. Chesapeake Beard and Grooming kind of dominates that list, so you know how much I like their products. Now, they do give you a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you got a problem with the product, man, get a hold of them. Gary's wonderful in working with you and trying to get things right. Now, let's get honest here. I know some people out there are like, well, let me buy something, return it, get something, return it, get something, return it. You're not going to run through his whole company line with one purchase. Let's just get that out of the way right now, okay? Now, Chesapeake Beard and Grooming was founded with one huge factor in mind. They wanted to provide the best products and services imaginable on the planet. That simple. They have no hype, they have no BS, they have no gimmicks. They let their products speak for themselves. And trust me, once you use them, you're going to want to keep going back and keep going back and keep going back for more. And speaking of that, let me help you with your future purchases right now. Going to see a little code popping up right down here. That's Chris10. That is my affiliate code with Chesapeake Beard and Grooming. Go ahead and use it. Going to save yourself 10% off your purchases. I will say flat out, it is an affiliate, so the channel does get a small kickback, but that's okay. You're saving money and you're helping a small YouTube channel reach its goals and reach better dreams. Also, if that affiliate code's not going to work on a product, Chesapeake Beard and Grooming will let you know. I know there are some stipulations like limited items and apparel, I think, but still, you put it in. If it says it's not applicable, oh well, at least you might get it on other items. All right. Now, each product that they make is based off a ton of research. Gary really doesn't grab a whole bunch of stuff, throw it together, and go, God, I hope it works. He does a lot of product testing, and he does a lot of stuff. So when his products roll out, hopefully they're 100% ready to go. I say hopefully because, well, you know, summertime and butters melt in transit, COVID, I don't know, post office losing everything. You know, that fun stuff. Now, I also like throwing this out there. They do not use a co-packer. Everything they are legally allowed to make in-house, they do. They bottle in-house, they label in-house, you know, they package it up in-house. From my understanding, because of the rules of the FDA, they cannot make their washes and co-washes in-house. They have to use a lab for that. But everything else, they do themselves. Okay, now let's get on to the fun part, all right? This was truly different than anything I'd ever smelled before. It's a pineapple lemonade. I didn't think it would work either, but it did. And man, it's great. It's a very mild to light scent in your beard. It'll last you about 4 hours or so, at least it did in mine. It felt great in my beard. You know, it didn't make it baby butt smooth, but I had a good beard day wearing it. And that's always important when you're using a product. Is it going to give you a bad beard day? Is it going to give you a good beard day? And how's it going to feel? This stuff felt amazing in my beard. Now let's get on to the ingredients, because I know a lot of people like hearing about those. Now for the oil, it's jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, emu oil, squalene oil, shea nut oil, and essential fragrance blends. Now for the beard vitality, which I think is seriously the most just revolutionary thing Chesapeake Beard and Grooming has ever done. You got jojoba, not jojoba. It's a Mondays. It's not really a Monday. It's like a Wednesday, but still, I got like just Monday grabbing on. Let's try this again. Jojoba butter, argan butter, kukuri butter, shea nut oil, and essential fragrance blends. Okay. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Beard Vitality, it's okay. It's one of the most revolutionary things, like I said, I think Gary has done. I haven't used as much of this one as I should. And yeah, you can see where it kind of melted in shipping and did other stuff. But you can see where I've been kind of digging down the same little area. Guys, this thing is just like beard butter, but it's like Gary's mad scientific genius, okay? It's a whipped, just hybrid, modified, restorative, just beautiful thing for your beard. It is very, very creamy. Seriously, just a light little drag over, okay? It breaks down like you wouldn't even believe, and it works just like beard butter. Seriously, just right there. Gone. And you just apply it into your beard like you would any other beard butter. No, I'm not putting this one in because, well, I currently have something else in there and I really don't want to mix up those scent profiles that much. So basically, you get it in, break it down in your hands, get it down in that liquid state, work it into your beard, groom it out. And man, does it ever heal your beard. Like if you're dehydrated over a weekend, say like from heavy drinking. I've done it before. And, Vitality just bounces the beard back. If you're having, like, a bad beard day, Vitality is going to help heal. I don't know, maybe you had a bad Sunday or, you're out swimming in the ocean somewhere in that salt. Shower Vitality in, it's going to help bounce that beard back. All right, now the other one, which I think is kind of like a little unsung hero, is the beard oil. For those of you who are not familiar with using beard oil, man, it's got great uses for your beard. It's got 3 really, really, really great ones, okay? Number 1 is it's going to get in there and it's going to be a vitamin supplement for your skin underneath your beard. Yes, beard oil is more for your skin than it is for your beard. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to help grow out that beard that we all love, the man-mane that we care about. It needs help. You doubt me? Take a weekend, don't shower. Your head hair is going to become incredibly greasy from all the oil buildup and everything. And this is going to get really dry, bird's nesty, and brittle. It's going to drive you insane. Trust me. Okay? So there it is, that vitamin supplement. Number 2 is it's going to really help soften up the man-mane. Nobody wants your better half getting in close and curling up with a cactus. Nobody. Because you're going to get the denied. No one wants that. So you get that soft beard, they get in close, and it's like, yeah. And the third great use is that scent profile. When it gets in there and it agrees with you and it's something your better half likes, ooh, buddy, talk about a game changer. Seriously. Now, in order to apply it, it's really, really simple. What I like that Chesapeake's going to is those little restrictor tops. And here's the fun part about this. All right, well, you got to turn it upside down, kind of tap the bottom to get your oil out. But before you do that, just shake the crap out of your beard oil. All right, shake it. Shake it like that brother-in-law that owes you money from a bet, or just does it like keeps grabbing your last beer, and you're like, shake it, shake it, shake it. It's going to help mix everything back up in case anything may have settled or gotten out of whack or gotten wherever else. And when these things sit around for a while, the oils can kind of, how should we say, separate. So you want to shake the crap out of that. Turn it upside down, tap the thing so the oil comes out in your hand. Dispense whatever amount you think you need. Now this is what I tell everyone, all right? If you're brand new to using it, put what you think you need in there. When you go through your usual process of rubbing your hands together, warm it up and activate that profile, work it into your beard, groom it out. Wait 30 minutes. Come back and just lightly do this. Seriously. If you hold your hands up, you got an oil slick, you have used way, way, way too much. Other telltale signs that you've used way too much is like your shirts underneath. They'll have that telltale like sweat stain, oil stain that ingrains in there and you can't get out. That you're using way, way, way too much. So, that's how to use them both. And that's the quickest way I can break it down and make it as easy as possible for you. Here's the fun part of the video from me. Truly, this is the best part. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Have you used any of the summer series before? Have you used the Pina-Ade before? Have you had successes with it? Had you have failures with it? I personally, out of the 3, it's not my most favorite because I like pineapple, pineapple lemonade, I'm like, oh, okay. But it fits, everything fits, and they all blend together beautifully. You know, they really do. Okay, now, with that fun stuff being said. Okay, sorry. Thought there was problems downstairs. Whew. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm grateful for the time you're giving me today. Hopefully I earn more of it. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say what's keeping you from subscribing, you know? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do in order to earn your subscription? Seriously. I'd love to know. Let's see if we can implement it into a future video, and get things moving. Let's be constructive about that, okay? Now, after you guys have done that, take a look right down there. You're going to see little channel symbol, I should say bigger channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to be able to have YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much about YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to suggest from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. And I just thought of this. I don't know if I mentioned the price or not. 35 bucks. So I can't remember if I did that, so if I'm doing it twice, oh well. But there we go, guys. My quick, screwed up look at Chesapeake Beard Grooming's 3rd in the summer series, Pina-Ade. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you are having a great day and being safe out there.